Three big events this past week. Central bank largesse. The Fed told us they have an unlimited checkbook. Obviously, the markets like the Fed liquidity. Don't fight the Fed. It's a big market narrative. Out of the European Central Bank, we got a massive $1.3 trillion TLTRO. And this is a funding line to get money into the banking system in Europe that desperately needs it. Markets celebrated that as well, but by the end of the week, we saw a little bit of a fade. China agreed to step up their purchases of U.S. agricultural products. And of course, for the U.S. administration, that's a big plus. Markets like that again as we came into Friday morning, but again, we saw the market fade. We saw the market fade largely on Friday because of the massive spike in COVID cases around the world. Brazil announced almost a 50,000 single day increase in COVID cases. And because we've seen spikes in many states that opened early, Apple chose to close some of their stores down again. So markets didn't like that. Had a bit of a fade on Friday. I suspect we're going to see a little bit of a follow through next week. Here are two good opportunities for the coming week. For the bears out there, there's trouble in credit markets. And what we've seen in real estate is massive forbearance and a huge percentage of the population not paying rents in retail. One study came out this week, 30% excess capacity in the real estate sector in terms of strip malls and what we're likely to see. Shorting real estate REITs, VNQ is probably the best one to get exposure to offices and retail as a short for the bears out there. And for the bulls, my favorite pick has been for a while, gold stocks. We saw a spike up in gold this week. I expect a breakout in the coming weeks. Gold stocks are trading at 30 to 35 year low valuations relative to the price of gold. I think gold's going higher and gold stocks are going to play catch up in the months ahead and in fact over the next couple of years. Huge upside potential there. GDX, GDXJ for the juniors. ZGD if you want to do it on an equal weight basis. If you want to do it on a market cap weighted basis here in Canada, XGD. Really bullish on the sector. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's the button right there. Have a good week, everyone.